Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Realme Q5 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable D&D Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly, you need to open Settings application, then scroll down and find here Sound and Vibration. Then scroll down again, and here you will see Do Not Disturb mode. Click on it. Here you can enable it, and here you can set up schedules and of course notifications from who you will receive notifications or calls, and of course then you will find when you will set up it, you will find Do Not Disturb mode here on your control panel. If you have no Do Not Disturb mode here, you need to click on Edit button, then find Do Not Disturb mode here and click and drag it to upper part of your screen. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.